Hello and warm welcome to this wonderful presentation. This presentation is brought to you by Brightpoint Infotech. Over the years, we've seen rapid changes in people trying to get to cloud. Therefore, Brightpoint thought that it's important to bring for you ERP selection process. This is presented by Kamal Kumar, a senior functional consultant at Brightpoint. ERP selection process is not a standardized process that every company can follow, the one that works best for them. In this process, we try to bring for you the most important key points that should not be missed in the process of selecting an ERP. We start right straight from conducting a needs assessment. Then we go to formulating an organizational ERP selection committee. Then we go into creating a change management plan. We go to documenting all the needs and the processes. We shall break down the needs and processes to the deliverables. We will look at a level or a high-level implementation plan with the timelines. Generate the objectives, vision of the RFP. Create a comprehensive request for approval. Publish and advertise the request for the proposal. Select the top proposals. Conduct interviews and demos. Negotiate with the best fit and kick off the project. This can be done in various ways, and companies may prefer to do them either way. The RFP. Create a comprehensive request for approval. Publish and advertise the request for the proposal. Select the top proposals. Conduct interviews and demos. Negotiate with the best fit and kick off the project. This can be done in various ways, and companies may prefer to do them either way. The keynotes for this presentation is needs assessment and deliverables. In this, we shall set a high-level target and vision. We shall review the requirements and the current processes. Thereafter, we shall look at the budget available for this ERP process that we would like to implement. We shall review the organizational strength and weaknesses and discuss with staff to see how comfortable they are in managing the change that is coming and adopting the new technology. We shall discuss the pros of the new technology and how much redundant tasks will be reduced to improve the same time productivity. After this, we shall go to the project planning and steering committee. This brings in the involvement of staff to the project, which starts with selection or setting up a team that knows the subject matter from each of the departments. We go into prioritization of each process and requirements with their weightage, if possible. We get into the implementation planning and discussing the time frame of the implementation in consultation with all the stages of the implementation. planning the resources available, including training, conference pilots, requirement seminars, acceptance testing, and go live. Reviewing the resources, skills, and the flexibility to learn. It's important. The Keynote 3, we're looking at the advertisement and the vendor selection. Select the proper media to publish the advert. This could be print media, online media, social media, and many others. Compare the feedback with the requirement sheets to see whether it matches the requirements that you've gathered in key point 1. Review the size of the ERP and its functionality and what kind of technology they are using. Check the feasibility to integrate and customize with other critical functions or other systems if you currently or you have many systems that you're integrating with, including the banking system, the sales system or customer systems, and many others. Review the vendor capacity and experience in the same industry. Do the ERP meet the best practices that you intend to follow or the objective that you've aligned? That could be a question, but if it's not answered, then the vendor does not suit you or match you. Request for a demo to have something brief into that ERP that you intend to use. Review the implementation and maintenance costs. Some ERPs are charged on fixed terms, others are charged on usage, others are charged on user basis with subscriptions. Request for testimonies from past customers to just shed light and show you how they use it or what they're using. The last one is ERP selection. Based on the demo and the analysis, select the best option. If any requirement is not fulfilled, then or clearly brought out in the demonstration, ask whether that can be customizable by the vendor that you've selected. Include your concerns in the statement of work and update management. Thank you very much for listening. Brightpoint Infotech is a consultancy firm that is located in Fort Lauderdale with years experience and all over the world. We appreciate your presence with us today, and we would love you to reach us at www.brightpointinfotech.com, info@brightpoint.com. Thank you.